Hi there, everyone. Today we are going to be presenting our completed conveyor belt project. This was completed by Brad Bulger and myself, Bobby O'Connor. And in this video, you will get to see the completed motion study of our conveyor belt project.
So as you can see here, our yellow tray is coming down the left-hand conveyor belt. So as you're going to see here, it's going to stop for a couple of seconds as the LDR and the microbit is going to accept the tray. And as it has successfully accepted the yellow tray proceeds on through the right-hand conveyor belt.
Now you can see the black tray is coming along the left-hand conveyor, and it will reach our conveyor project. So when it goes over the LDR will send a signal to the microbit, and because it's the wrong color, we don't want it. The tray comes off the conveyor belt and does not continue on throughout the process of the conveyor belt system.
So for our yellow tray, our LDR detects the light level from the yellow trays, which is programmed to threshold where the microbit will only accept the light level above a certain threshold. So as the LDR sends signal to the microbit is therefore programmed to accept the yellow tray. So then our motor goes in a forward rotary motion once it has received the signal from the microbit. Therefore, our motor then passes our yellow tray from our conveyor belt project that we made to the conveyor belt on the right hand side to continue on the process in the factory line.
So as we have showed you earlier, the black tray is passed down along. When it reaches our conveyor belt project, the LDR detects the light level of the black tray, and because it hasn't emitted enough light, the threshold is not met. So therefore, the microbit is then programmed to reverse the motor and reject the black tray. This is why you see the black tray going the wrong direction, if you want to call it that, and falling off into the, if you want to call it, the waste pile. This is then used, I suppose, in factories where the product mightn't be satisfactory. Um, so when it isn't satisfactory, it has to be separated from the rest of the products. So that's one way of deciphering between good products and unsatisfactory products.
Thank you for listening and watching our motion study.